yeah. Today the weather is like too humid, right?
Very, very humid. Garmi.
I don't know how 2 months gonna be. Like when Ramzan is starting and
Extremely, it's gonna be very, very. I don't know. Bangalore is treating us very bad. Maybe for something really, really sweet. Kuch to banao, please.
is it?
Yeah. Why not you make kunafa?
Oh
It's been a very long time.
yeah. Actually, I was thinking of making kunafa. So yeah, let's try. What do you
Please.
think?
Please do it. You got all these stuffs?
Yes, I have all these stuffs. Actually, I was looking for it on internet, like how to make. Once you told me, I was just looking for the recipes, like because I don't know, we have never made it.
Yeah.
So I thought I'll just look for it.
Even I have not eaten it. Even I have not tasted kunafa. It's just my friends have always told me that you should try.
So
Abhi, it's so humid. I don't want to go out. So try to make it, no, please.
yeah, chalo, let's make it. Let's give it a try.
So finally, she's starting to make kunafa and she's ready with all the ingredients. So we've got what is this?
This is called sevilla.
Okay, then we have cheese and we have butter. Then these are the stuffs that she'll be using. So what do you have to say?
Nothing, I'm just a little nervous because this is the first time we are making video of something I'm cooking and which I've never tried.
Okay.
So whatever it is, it will be in front. So whether it will be good or bad or whatever.
I am always here to give my honest review.
He gives me the what do you say, the best review.
And
he
even-
tell it on my face if it's good or bad. So that's
Yeah.
a good thing.
So let's see. Let's hope. I hope even you guys will like it. And
Okay guys, this is the first step, which is like making the sauce or cream. By that time, can you please open me that
what?
Saraya,
Bowl
and give
here.
me.
This sevenya.
Yes.
Bowl.
Because
Complete puri packet.
I have to, yeah. Because I have to keep storing this and I can't burn this.
Just pouring this complete savaya. So Abhi, then I think the next step she is taking the cheese
I
out.
have done this before actually
Acha,
because this is cooking really fast.
acha,
So I
okay.
don't want this to.
ठीक है. So how many cubes are you gonna add?
As per the recipe, I'm using four cubes.
ठीक है.
I'm super excited. Then inshallah how this gonna come out. And I'll definitely let you guys know how this comes out.
Excited because I love food. I just love eating different, desserts and cuisines and stuff.
He can eat anything possible in this world.
Absolutely, I would love to eat. Sufi, have you heard about ये जगह का नाम Kunafa World? It's in Bangalore, Fraser Town. I heard that it's amazing. Have you ever seen that?
No, I've never heard of it.
Okay, I have heard it and few of them have recommended me and I think I want to try that once.
Let's see, I'll try making it. If it turns out to be same, then no. So even I'll open a kunafa store.
Who's gonna invest?
You, obviously.
Acha, okay. How's it coming?
It's coming good actually, but you need to keep stirring it because it might.
This is filled with cheese, guys. I just love cheese. How many servings are this gonna be? Remember? I think 4 5 6. Okay. Depends how much they eat. Okay. Can I send you the recipe of my friends? First you eat and see, then you can decide.
Bhaiya, get me vanilla essence, no please, from the fridge.
Okay. So yeah.
I forgot about vanilla essence, guys.
Where is vanilla
It's
essence?
up.
This
Yes.
vanilla essence.
So I'm done with the first step, which is making the cream. Now the second step is we have to make sugar syrup. So I'm just making that. So finally I'm done with the cheese. So I hope it has turned out good. and
It's a very
tasty.
quick recipe, right?
It is a very quick recipe since it's first time for me and we are shooting and we have no idea how do people vlog, and this is our first time, so it's taking time. That's it.
I love eating raw sevilla. Sufi, जो भी you've done using, keep it at their places. नहीं तो you're gonna get left right from mummy.
Oh yeah. Otherwise, she's gonna.
My mom hates things that are not on place. She's very particular with cleanliness.
So I'm in the final step, guys. So I just have to mix this sevilla with the butter and just make the kind of dough. So yeah, I'm doing that, and I'll see you back. Finally, I'm done with everything, and it is the last step, which is baking. So I thought I'll do it in the oven, but then I didn't want to take any chance. So I will be doing it on stove itself. देखते हैं कैसा बनता है, and I'll be using pan. And yeah, let's see how it turns out, because this is the most important step. If it goes wrong, सारी मेहनत खराब हो जाएगी. So let's see. Look at him, guys. He never leaves anything, literally.
You know, whenever I eat cheese, especially, I remember my nephew Zain. Zain, if you're watching this is yum. You're missing this.
Guys, it's ready. It has to get baked. I have kept one tawa, and please ignore the halat of the tawa, because I know everybody has that one kind of tawa which looks like that. So please ignore that. So yeah, I'm just waiting for that to get hot, and then I will just bake it.
क्या हुआ?
It's baking, so it'll take around 20 minutes.
Total.
Yeah.
I'll be ready.
Yes.
I'm just waiting. I hope it comes.
Yeah, I think it will come out good.
Because everything is going as per the recipe. So let's see.
So it's finally done, and it's time for tasting. But it is hot. I'm not sure if you eat. I don't know if I should keep it to cool it down, or you can eat it just like
I'm
that.
just so eager to have it, and it's coming out so good. Is it completely baked?
Yeah, it is baked, but I'm not sure how it is. So bear with it, because it's first time. Maybe the second time it will be better. So let's see. And finally it's done.
I'm so excited right now. Let's see, because I just
So that's it for the day, and I hope you all liked it. It was our first vlog.
Yeah, and I just hope that we are more consistent. It was very spontaneous. I was just craving for
Yeah.
eating something
It
sweet.
was nothing planned or anything,
Exactly.
but we always
We
wanted
just thought,
to vlog.
yeah, we just thought that we would convert this day into our vlog, and I hope you
Yeah.
like it. If there's anything that we got to improve, I'm sure we were conscious. We didn't, because we don't have an habit of making
Yeah.
vlogs, and we are very new to this. I just hope you like it, and if there's anything that we got to improve, please comment down below and let us know.
Yes.
And
Also, this is not a cooking vlogs or
Yeah, it is
anything.
not.
We just randomly started this day with his cravings, and I was like, okay, chalo, let's make it. Even I wanted to do something because I have leave, and so I thought we'll just take a vlog, and then
Exactly.
Yeah.
So if please subscribe to the channel, and if you really like the video, please click
Yes,
the
yes.
like button.
We have taken a lot of efforts
Exactly.
because, as you know, this is our first video. We are not so used to it. So hope you like our jodi, brother sister jodi. He always irritates me, and I always
I don't like the
get
jodi,
irritated.
but I gotta bear with it. So, anyways, thank you
Hello,
so much.
I have made something for him, and look at him.